day.
Good day. You must be Diana, Dr. David's wife.
Yes, I am, and you are?
We're police officers from headquarters. Would like to ask you a couple of questions. Can we sit down?
Questions. About what?
Madam, nothing really serious. It's just an ongoing investigation that requires your help.
Yes. May we sit down, please?
Sure. Baby, go on upstairs. I want to have a talk with these gentlemen, okay?
Madam, how old is she?
8 years old.
She looks smart.
Thank you.
Please, can I have a glass of water, please, if you don't
Sure.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Madam, we are aware that you are referring to one Mr. Kelly West. Um, when was the last time you saw him?
Why? What's the matter?
Madam, answer the question first.
Anyway, Mr. Kelly West has been missing for about a week now.
Missing.
Yes, missing. And in the course of our investigation, we found your pictures and your address in his place. Has he called you recently?
Yes. I mean, no. He called me, but I didn't pick.
Madam, when precisely did you call him?
I didn't call him. I just said it. He called me, but I didn't pick.
It's all right. I understand the way you feel. Somebody you saw just last week and he's missing all of a sudden. I understand your feelings. Are you the only one in this house?
My daughter and I.
All right. I'd like to invite you to the station tomorrow to make a statement concerning this matter. Is that okay with you?
This is my postcard. Don't fail to come to see me next month.
That will be all, madam. Thank you very much for your time. We'll be expecting you tomorrow. Okay? Let's go.
What's wrong? Oh my God. What is going on? Kelly's missing.
Daddy!
Hey, Angel, how are you?
I'm fine. Daddy, 2 policemen came to see Mommy.
Really? They came with guns?
No, they came with a car.
A car? Okay, so where is Mom now?
She's upstairs in her
In
room.
her room. Oh, you're reading something?
Yes.
Let me see her, right? I'm coming. Let me see her.
Welcome, Mary.
Oh, why are you like this? Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm fine. Why? Don't I look okay?
Yeah, not really, not really. I heard some policemen came here today.
Yes, some policemen were here. But it's nothing serious.
Really?
Some of my clients were supposed to show up at the police station. So when they didn't, their attorneys and some policemen came to see if I've seen them.
So why did they go to your office?
They called me and I told them that I was at home and that they could come here. Let me get your food.
No, I'm not hungry. I'm okay.
Baby. Listen. I know I've been very annoying lately and I'm sorry. I'm really very sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Diane.
Yeah?
My beautiful Diane. Can we save this gist for later?
No.
Okay?
Sure.
I'm not interested now. Right. Excuse me.
Sure.
Interesting. So tell me, where did you dump him?
I can't show you.
Sit down.
I'm so sorry. This is all my fault. I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault. I killed him. Yeah, I killed him and I jumped in the bush.
What a thing. What a thing. You guys are really mistake.
I know about you guys. I saw the pictures. I followed him to his house. I saw the passports.
Duru, sir, arrest this man. That is road. Madam, you can go on. Now move. You have to show us where you go. Go!
Is this a joke?
No, please.
Go.
No, love me. Love me, please.
Go! Madam, you can go home.
Maybe there's a mix-up somewhere. No, please. Okay? Bring him! him.
Move!
Daddy, where are you going to?
You have to stay with Mom, eh? I want to take them somewhere and I will see you soon, please.
No, I will go with...
Move!
No, stay with Mom, please.
Be careful, mind yourself in this world. Be careful, because life is a seed. Whatever you say, you shall. This life is a seed.
Leave me alone. It's because of you that my daddy is going. They should have taken you and leave my daddy alone.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Matters so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I'm an uche give the boy of my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because life is a seed. Whatever you say, you shall. This life is a seed. Whatever you say, you shall. Life is a seed. Whatever you say, you shall. Whatever you say, you shall. Whatever you say, you shall. Why can't you build yourself? What are you looking for outside you? Why can't you control your emotion? Cause you are born with the seed of success and happiness inside you. Why can't you build yourself? Oh.
Talk to me here. Talk to me here.
I will shoot you. It seems like you and your wife are playing games with me, right?
No.
Right?
No. We had a fight and I knocked him off. I personally dumped him here.
Personally dumped him. So where is it?
Kelly. Kelly. Kelly, please untie me so I can go. Kelly, please let me go. I'm begging you.
After everything I've been through in life because of you, you are joking with my feelings. You are joking with my feelings! Your husband will go to jail.
No. No, please.
He will go to jail for killing me.
He didn't kill you. He didn't kill you. Kelly, look at you. You're standing right there and you're alive.
He will go to jail. No, please. Because I was fighting for what belongs to me. He will go to jail. You think I'm joking? I'm not joking with you.
I just want to go home.
You want to go home? You'll go home. Don't worry. Your husband came to my house, was unconscious. He bundled me in his car and drove away. I must say I admire his nerves for him to come to my house to warn me, to take what belongs to me.
This one. Hey, Kelly. My husband came to fight you and dumped you here, right? Plus, I have to do an FBI job and rescue you. Because this your ear, no the hear word.
Thank you. But I will deal with him.
Deal with who? Leave somebody's wife alone. Leave somebody's wife alone. You will not hear. Kelly, free the woman now. Now that's a wife.
She's mine. I love her and she loves me too.
Hey.
If I don't have her, no one will have her. She's mine.
You know, eh? Person wey dey follow person wife. Him and death. They live for the same flat. I don't know as I want to tell you this thing reach. But you don't do, my guy. Now small thing remain make you for die. You don't do.
I will teach him a lesson. I will have his head rubbed. You will see what I will do to him.
Inside dustbin. Inside this dustbin. What if you had died? Just what if?
Yeah, hello. Angela. You will call the Office of Intelligence Unit. Tell them that I'm missing. Yes. I want you to do that tomorrow morning. transfer 100,000 naira to you. That will be fine. Yeah. Get to the CCTV. We will edit the footage. It's okay. Good. Thank you.
Kelly, what are you up to? Would they talk one will never solve and finish you? They dig out another one. What are you up to?
You will see what I will do to that man. And you better mind your business. Mind your business and your husband. And don't stand on my way or I will crush you.
My guy, calm down. Calm more down. You cannot threaten me. You're not going to threaten me. See me, they waka like rats where they find something inside person's house. They trail the motor just to come and rescue you. So don't hear they tell me bullshit. I beg, let's go to the hospital. You're bleeding.
Take me out of here.
Take you out of here. But they threaten me. Yeah, I never chop. And I break my leg for that push. When you push me, come on. Not your house. Away.
I will deal with that man.
Don't make me vex so.
Be careful, mind yourself in this world. Be careful, because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share.
Your husband has a murder case to answer. And then we'll be in South Africa enjoying ourselves, both of us. You crazy. You made me crazy.
Kelly, stop this madness. Untie me so I can go home to my husband. My husband who should not be in the cell, by the way.
Let me correct one impression. The lady Christian you're talking about, we are not in a relationship. She's a married woman. We have nothing.
So am I, Kelly. So am I. I'm a married woman. Let go of me so I can go home to my husband and my child.
You don't know. You're a married woman with difference. I'm the one marrying you.
What?
Yes.
No, you're not.
You're not. It's not happening right now.
Kelly, I am not yours. Please, stop this madness, please.
You are mine.
I'm not yours.
You are mine.
I'm not yours.
You're not like every other married woman. Can't you get that? Get it into your skull. You are my wife. You are my wife. Think I'll let you go?
Dr. Davies, are you playing games with me?
No.
You don't know. Yeah. You don't know!
Hello? Sergeant Obi? You have him in custody? Are you sure? We are coming there right now. We are coming there now. We are coming. Sir?
Yes.
Sergeant Obi said they apprehended Mr. Kelly while trying to abscond Mr. David's wife.
Really?
Yeah.
Call him, I want to speak to him myself. Hello? Obi? Are you sure you have the right person? Where is your location? Alright, hold him tight. We're on our way now. Lucky. It seems like your corpse has resurrected in my station. Do release him. Now go home. and make sure your doctor is safe. Do you hear me?
Sir, you can't just release him like that now. He must get the inspection.
Duro,
Sir,
who is in charge?
it's you, sir. Sorry, sir.
Now shut up.
Whatever you say, you shall reap. Your choice and action matter so much in your life.
If not for one thing, for waste two of my here now. She can put to anywhere, they do police work, and they share. Now people like when they support sack for police.
Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in you check it the way of my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in the because
You fat ass! I've been waiting for you! Pick him up. Is he okay? Are you okay? Pick him up. Move him to the car. Move him.
Most respected police officer in Port Harcourt has on April 18th fulfilled the promise he made on nailing at least 500 criminals before his retirement. His dream came true today as he shot the last bandit known as Mr. Kelly Osage, who wanted to kill one Dr. Davis in order to abscond with his wife and daughter.
It will not be well with you. Hey, I am finished. I single-handedly raised that boy. I know what I went through to get him to the level he is now. And I call him, look at. Hey, Chimo.
Mama, see, Kelly is not a thief. Don't think that they shot him because he went to steal. It's just because of this stupid love affair with somebody's wife that I warned him against.
But it is stealing. When you steal somebody's wife, it is stealing. It's even worse than stealing money.
Mama, I told him.
Finished me.
I warned him. I told him all these things, but he's too stubborn. He will not listen.
Hey, whoa. Hey, Afujemanya.
Mama, he's okay. He's not dead now. He's just in
a
the
thief.
hospital.
Kelly Mwamu stole somebody's wife. Is it not stealing? He can hear one. Hey! When you steal somebody's wife, God will fire you. I don't care. Why can't you build yourself? What are you looking for outside you? Why can't you control your emotion? Cause she reborn with this.
Sorry, sir. You'll be fine. We are here for you.
Why are you crying? You should be strong for my daddy and not crying.
Sorry, I won't cry again. Where's your mommy?
She just left me. Oh, here she comes.
He shouldn't be disturbed.
Greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share.
Where is he?
We're inside with him, but she asked us to leave.
Who? Who asked you to leave?
Diana asked us to go out. That he doesn't need to be disturbed.
What nonsense? What nonsense? Let me call the idiot. Hello? See, I've always monitored your wayward life. Let me tell you, if anything, I repeat, if anything should happen to Dr. David, I swear to God who made me, I will get you down. I will get you down, nothing will happen. Foolish woman. Like mother, like daughter.
Oh, God.
Mama.
Kelly.
Mama, I'm sorry.
It's okay, Kelly. You'll be fine, all right? The important thing is that you are alive. The God I worship will heal you. It's okay.
Gina warned me. I would have listened to her.
It's okay. You'll be fine. I promise you.
Agatha.
So after 35 years, you still recognize me?
Why are you looking like this? Look, I'll spend the last drop of my blood to make you feel better.
Really?
What is the matter?
For 35 good years, I suffered because of you. You broke my heart. You walked out on me. You left me when I was pregnant. I suffered in poverty. I single-handedly brought up our son. And now it is time for me to enjoy the fruit of my labor. You reappear again. What have I done to you? What? No, why won't you let me rest? Why do you want to kill me?
Look, Agatha, I am sorry, but I plan to look for you and my son after my retirement. Look, but I sent money to you through my friends. And I did what I did because I didn't want the hoodlums I was fighting to come after you and my son.
Oh, your son?
Where is my son?
Your son, indeed. I like the way you go. My son, my son. Which son? If you see your son, would you recognize him? No, would you?
I am sorry. I said I am sorry. Oh my God. Look, Agatha, we can repair this, okay? We can repair this. Where is my son? Jesus.
Your son is in the hospital fighting for his life.
Kelly is my son?
Kelly is your son. Kelly is your son!
Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Oh my God, what have I done? Kelly's...
Oh yeah. Dreaming indeed.
No. I gotta put the gun down. Put the gun down, please. We can work this out. He's still alive. We can salvage this.
Okay. What's up here, madam? Get her.
No. Leave her alone. She's my wife. I shot Kelly. Kelly's my son. My only son that I never knew.
Okay? Do you mean Kelly's your son? Yes. Let's take you to hospital.
Let's take him to hospital.
I never knew.
Please, let's go, sir. Let's take him to hospital immediately. Hospital.
Agatha, please forgive me.
Let's take him to hospital first.
Please forgive me.
Sorry, sir. Woo! Sorry, sir. Hospital.
Sorry, I can't stay anymore. I brought so much shame to this family. I just want to go.
Mom, why do you want to kill the joy of this family? What will you gain from leaving? Well, it's not like you care about me and Daddy. You only care about yourself. And even if you leave, don't you ever in your life call me your daughter again.
Angel, no, that's harsh. Please, I understand how you feel, okay? You know when two adults have an issue, alright, one has to go. Okay, so Mom wants to leave, but she will come back after a while for you. Okay, so you don't have to be. I understand how you feel. Okay. Let's get to the kitchen. Get some food. Okay.
Be careful, mind yourself in this world. Be careful, because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Your choice and action matter so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe me, you check it the way of my greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you.
My son, I have failed you as a father. And you, a beautiful wife. I have failed you too. But truly, I have missed you. You are not criminals. The case has been closed.
Sorry, sir.
And the charges dropped.
Sorry, sir.
I am sorry for the pains I caused you. I am, truly I am. I know I failed you as a son. And I failed you as a husband. Please, please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Because to err is human, and to forgive is divine. My son,
Fine.
forgive me. That is all I can say. Daryl.
Sir, this is fine, sir.
Son.
Father.
Agatha. I planned to come and look for both of you after my retirement. But fate took its turn. This is my life's work. Everything I saved in the last 35 years.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, thank you. It may not be much, but I assure you it is very, very much. Agatha, thanks for bringing up my son single-handed.
Sorry, sir.
Take. It belongs to you and Kelly. Once again, forgive me for all the pains I have caused. I shall wait for both of you at home. I will wait for you at home. Okay, son.
Two miserable flats. Two miserable flats. Not even the whole building.
Your choice and action matter so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I'm name, check it the way of greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Why can't you build yourself? What are you looking for outside you? Why can't you control your emotion? Cause you are born with the seed of success and happiness inside you. Why can't you build yourself up?